Hey guys, so we're going to do the review for the quiz 22. So first of all, I have to put these numbers in order from least to greatest. So I'm going to have 59, 60, 60, 60, 62, 64, 65, 70, 71, and 78. Okay, so remember the stem, this is your tens place and this is your ones place. So we're going to look at the tens. I have 50, 60, 70. So I'm going to put a 5, a 6, and a 7. And this is going to be 50, 60, 70. And then I have 59, so I'm going to put a 9 here. I have 60, 60, 60, so I'm going to put 60, 60, 60. 62, so that's going to be a 2. 64, so that's going to be a 4. 65, that's going to be a 5. And then I have 70, 71, and 78. Okay, and remember to put your key. So if I have 5/9, that's equal to 59. Okay, alright, so we're going to find the mean, the median, the mode, and the range. Okay, so we're going to first find the mean. So we have to add all these together. So when you add all these together, you're going to get 649. And then I have to divide by 10 because there's 10 numbers. So I'm going to get 64.9, and that's going to be my mean, 64.9. Okay. Then I'm going to find the mode. So the mode is the number repeated most often, which is going to be 60. Okay. And then the range, we're going to subtract the highest number, 78, minus the lowest number, which is 59. So I'm going to subtract those, and I'm going to get 19. So that's my range. And then the median, I'm going to cross them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So I have 2 in the middle. So I'm going to add those up. 62 plus 64 is going to equal 126. Divide by 2, and I'm going to get 63. Alright, so now we're going to go to the next problem, and it says that the temperatures were accidentally recorded 3 degrees higher. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite them, and I'm going to take away 3 each time. So I'm going to subtract 3. So my numbers are going to be, instead of 59, 59 minus 3 is 56. 60 minus 3 is 57. I have 3 of those. 62 minus 3 is 59. 64 minus 3 is 61. 65 minus 3 is 62. And 70 minus 3 is 67. 71 minus 3 is 68. And 78 minus 3 is 75. Okay, so again, we're going to have to find the mean, the median, the mode, and the range. Okay, so I'm going to start with mean. I'm going to add all these together. So I'm going to get 619, and I'm going to divide that by 10. So I'm going to get 61.9. So the mean is 61.9. Then I'm going to find the mode. So the mode is the number repeated most often, which is 57. And then the range, the highest number, 75, minus the lowest number is 56. Subtract, and I still get 19. and then the median. 1, 2. So these two are in the middle. So I'm going to add 59 plus 61, and I'm going to get 120. Divide by 2, and you get 60. So the median is 60. Okay? So now I'm looking for which one is not true. So letter A, the mode decreases from 60 to 57. So if I look at my mode, I used to have 60 and now I have 57, so that's true. Then the median decreases from 63 to 60. Well, the median used to be 63 and now it's 60, so that's true. And then the range decreases from 19 to 16. Well, the range was 19, but now it's still 19, so this one's wrong. And then the mean decreased from 64.9 to 61.9. So it was 64.9 and now it's 61.9. So that's true. So the only one that's correct is C. Alright, turn your paper over. On the back, it says find the mean. So we're going to add all these together and we're going to get a total of 720, and we have 9 numbers, so we're going to divide by 9 and I'm going to get 80. Okay, so the mean is 80. Okay, now it says that she wants the mean to be 85, and she's going to add 5 more quizzes. Okay, so if I have 9 numbers plus 5 more, that's going to be 14 numbers total. Okay, and if I want the mean to be 85, so 85 times 14 has to give me a total of 1,190. Okay, so if I subtract 1,190 minus 720, because I had already added these numbers and I have to add 5 more, I'm going to subtract that. So I get 470. So I need to know which of these numbers is going to add up to 470. So I'm going to start with letter A. If I add 100 plus 100 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90, I get 470. So that's your answer. Okay. And the last problem, we have 12 numbers, and we have to find the median, the mode, and the range. So remember, this means this is the whole numbers, this is the tenths place. Okay? This is the tens, and this is the tenths. Okay? So right now, I'm going to start with the range. I know that I have 28.9 minus 25.3. So I'm going to subtract that, and I get 3.6. So my range is 3.6. And then my mode, which number is repeated most often? Well, I know that I see 2 9s here, so that's going to be 26.9. And then the median is going to be the number in the middle. So if I have 12, I have to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's both of those. So if I add 26.9 plus 26.9, I'm going to add them together. So this is 18. That's 13. So I have that, and I divide that by 2. I should still get 26.9. So make sure you write everything down and bring it to class tomorrow.